In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the icon and type something in a callout in Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity app that helps manage everything from tasks to notes, and to get the most out of it, knowing how to customize elements like callouts can greatly enhance your workflow. To begin, open up Notion and navigate to the page where you want to add a callout. If you don't have a callout already, no worries, we'll cover how to insert one. Simply hit the / key on your keyboard, which brings up a handy menu of all the block options. Just start typing callout and you should see it pop up in the list. Click on it or hit enter to insert a new callout block in your Notion page. Now, you might notice that any new callout block comes with a default icon. These icons can be helpful for visual organization, but if you prefer a cleaner look or wish to use the space differently, you might want to remove it. Hover your mouse over the icon, you'll notice an option to remove it appears to the right of the icon. Clicking here will instantly remove the icon, making your callout text the central focus. This is a great way to streamline the appearance of your pages if you prefer minimalistic designs. After removing the icon, you might want to add your own text, or perhaps a new icon or emoji that better represents the content of your callout. Simply click into the callout text area. Once the blinking cursor appears, you can start typing whatever you need. This section is perfect for highlighting key information or drawing attention to important details within your Notion documents. If you decide later that you want to add an icon or emoji back into the callout, it's equally straightforward. Just hover over the left side of the callout, you'll see a placeholder where the original icon was. Click that spot to bring up the emoji picker, then choose the perfect symbol to complement your message. Remember, selecting the right visual can make information pop and become more memorable. Taking the time to personalize your callouts not only makes your Notion workspace visually appealing but can also improve functionality. Color is another great way to customize callouts. Consider using color-coded callouts to differentiate between categories or priorities. Experiment with different approaches to find what suits your workflow best. The ability to adapt these elements lets you mold Notion into a tool that fits seamlessly with your personal or professional needs. And there you have it. Now you know how to remove the icon and type something in a callout in Notion. Play around with these options and make your workspace truly yours. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.